the sauce is a remain because it can be is a lot sauce is a make with it. This for the color I use the paste tomatoes.
Okay. Oh.
So you is a dark.
Okay. So she likes the tomato paste. So you use the
water of the mushroom. The first water the mushroom I use for this.
Okay.
Because the first moment the mushroom take the flavor of the fat of the bacon. After, when it begin dry, I want is a cook before is a little because it's dry. I'm soft, but it's always dry. And
Okay, you're kind of in her face.
Oh.
Make her nervous.
I cook the champignon with
Not gonna let. I think she's getting her own way.
no use the fresh mushroom.
No.
Porcini, fresh porcini is no good because it's found is mushy. The head is mushy.
Okay.
Okay. Before take the flavor, after, come posso dire, the truffle less expensive.
Oh, I see.
But is good for to cook. Cook the white, no.
Oh, no.
No.
It even looks better than our sausage.
Can the versato?
Go there, in the floor. If you like, you can put 1 cloves of garlic, peel but no crush.
Oh.
And they told me no high price. In US, for me, is crazy. Because this, allora, I calculated from 100 gram. 100 gram depends from the brand, but it go from 80 cents of allora creme fresh my daughter-in-law my niece grandchild is told me but no is no good. And also the black olive, I don't know you taste, is salty because the preservative is water and salt. And I wash because there is a lot salt.
Okay.
And so now is a pepper.
Someone told me once not to salt the mushrooms if you're sauteing, cooking mushrooms, not to salt till the end.
Is it possible? Yes. I taste. Is I don't tell. And sometimes also the meat, because for me is I use less oil, more light. Ecco, it's a little high. I put it here.
We're
You
good.
need to.
We're good. I've eaten off of it.
Fry the bacon, you can put the butter, but put for to cook, no? I prefer no because the bacon have just a lot of fat. But when finish to cook everything, I like put no bigger, is the little piece of butter, and so for person tablespoon. Is the salt is okay?
Good, good.
Because after do you think I put the water salted of pasta and the pasta with salt. I don't put a lot of salt in the pasta because I don't like pasta salty.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah, very good.
Now, what did you just put in there?
Butter.
Oh,
The
That's
butter.
gotcha.
Oh, it was melted.
Yeah.
That's the butter that you put on the cover.
Yes.
C'est ça le truc.
For this I put one oil and a half, no lot. The tandoori ware is the wall of Castellina. More depended from Siena. Because there is a big war in about 1,400 toms, because this is the area of the Etruscan area. In fact, now is make is a lot of sugar because I want make one dessert is a light. So if I make this ricotta for not biscuit but in the summer for the tea for tell, no? So there I can put is a little sugar, more sugar. But after to eat one dessert after to eat. We eat just many things. I put always less sugar. And
Sugar.
this is the alkerms.
Okay.
This is the color. You can use Cointreau, Grand Marnier, rum is very good. For the people is no alcohol, is can use the orange. The juice of orange. Together is put also the zest of orange. And this same quantitative. Here. Oh,
Oops.
sorry,
No.
I think. Also this, if you like more alcohol, 1 tablespoon more. 1,
We love lots of alcohol.
3, 4. Why? Because always is a more liquid, less.
May I
So-
smell that? Can you smell that?
Yes.
What is
Sorry, I pass.
Go ahead.
Watch out.
One sausage per bread.
So, this is good when is I like with a lot sausage on top. But what is important, no only in the center, same high from every part, because the sausage must cook it and
What did we have? We had that last night.
Well, that was real quick.
I know, I can't take it out. Is the madam you want to stay here?
Okay.
This for you.
Oh,
No, is here. This is lovely, do you see?
I love this.
But is the cake. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Because this for Halloween, and the chili is a fortune.
Do you prefer to eat it
Oh my
in front or?
Of